Since we're unable to show you around our office in person right now, we hope to give you an impression with this virtual office tour. So I will show you around the 10th floor. This is the top floor of our building and this is where you would normally enter. So behind me you can see the lift area. That's where you would normally come up and come through this door. Over here we have the reception. That's where the ladies would normally welcome you. And all the way there in the back we have a coffee machine. Yeah, here you would normally wait for your interview. And then over here we have one of the meeting rooms. So you would be in one of these 4 rooms normally. Other than that, on the 10th floor we have mainly people sitting that work for IMC globally. So on the other side we have a lot of office space. For now I really like to thank you for watching this office tour and we really hope to be able to see you here.
Welcome to the office tour of IMC. I'm Daniel. I'm going to show you around on the 9th floor. Currently pretty empty as we're in a different setup than we would normally be. But this is my workplace there. I'm a trader at the Brazil desk. As you can see, this is my setup. We're not open yet, so I have some time to show you around. I'm here with one other colleague, but he's not in yet. He's about to come in any moment. His workplace is over there. So when something happens in the market or we need to chat, I can shout over my place over there and we stay in touch. So normally this is where HR is. There are some other traders on this floor that are normally in a dealing room, which I will show you in a bit. Some other traders sitting here. Hello. Some more people working here. This is the dealing room. That's my spot over there usually. It's empty right now because I have to be upstairs to make sure we're not in contact with too many people. Over there we have the IT support and the business support people. They're pretty busy now working and that everybody has laptops, everybody can work from home. Wave. Thank you. This is gonna be in the video. I'm walking around some more. The guys from support. Waving. So if you join IMC, you're gonna have a training program of a couple of weeks, a couple of months actually, and you're gonna have onboard training that basically explains everything regarding financial markets, options, how it works, how we trade. And a large part, or at least a couple of weeks, will be in this room, and you will have some training here with a teacher. Maybe if you're lucky, I can come and give some training as well. Here we have a small kitchen or pantry. So usually we all have lunch downstairs with everybody together, but it's also split up now. We also have breakfast downstairs, but the people who are on the 9th have to stay on the 9th. They serve lunch for us here and breakfast for us here now. Coffee machine. I think lunch is ready, so I'm gonna wrap up this video, and I hope Koen and Matteo make something nice.
Hi guys, I'm Matteo, he's Koen. We're gonna give you a short tour of the virtual tour of the office today.
So we're gonna show you around the main dealing room today. I'm trading Euro stocks together with Matteo. I've been around now for a little bit over 2 years.
As you can see, we have to keep our distance because of these restrictions we have in the office at the moment. You will also see that it's a lot emptier than usual because a lot of people are basically working from home. So currently we are on the bar lounge area. I'll go to the dealing room now, and Koen is gonna pick you up on the other side.
Indeed, see you in a bit.
So yeah, this is the bar area where you get your food and your drinks, and here we have a room where there are tables and stuff to have lunch. Here's the lobby, the entrance where you arrive in the morning, and here is the main dealing room. So a lot of rows, as you can see, are quite empty because a lot of people are at home. Each row basically is a different kind of desk or role. Here you can see Thomas and Risk. We have the equity options guys and the DCP, where we have our contacts with our counterparties mostly. Here's it's my row, it's the index options row. So you can see the guys there. And here it's where we have the other traders, also talking with the brokers. And now it's really quiet, but it can be a lot more noisy during busy times. Now if you can see, there is basically some window in which you can see the cooling systems for our servers and computers. You have a small bathroom and a couple meeting rooms, not too big, with like 8-10 people where you can have your meetings. Some interesting paintings as well. There are a lot of paintings, a lot of art in the office in general. And here we have a small kitchen area on the back, so the main kitchen and food and drink area is in the front. Here in the back we have a small one where you can get your coffee or fruits or tea or whatever. So now I'm gonna pass it back to Koen and pick you up at the end of the tour.
So thank you. So Matteo already showed you the southern side of the office. So as you can see, just like on the other side, most desks are empty right now, as most developers are working from home. Although we do still have some support here right at the office. Maxime still supporting the team. So normally here the different trading desks would sit, which are currently in different location. So we have the spread traders sitting right here. News analyst, Mr. Benton. So you can see as well is that the dealing room is actually quite tall. So we have a glass ceiling at the top. And then we have the main office here in the corner as well. And now we'll pursue to the lunch area. So lunch is currently being served. It starts around 11:30. We've always got a variety of cold and hot meals to suit everyone's needs. So it's normally served around this particular area. And then the hot meals are served in the bar style, or you can already see Matteo waiting door to go outside. So there's steak for lunch today. The best area is where we get to right now. We've got a small barbecue behind here as well. We'll flip around. We're able to see all the way to Schiphol actually. And here's where you, on a nice summer afternoon, maybe Friday afternoon, can share a drink with your team, or even have some lunch outside if, in case your job allows you to do so. So I'll hand you over to Matteo right now for the final closing.
Yeah, so that should be it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Yeah, as I said, we're hoping to see you here soon and to have also all these restrictions a bit less strict. But that's the way it works now. So I hope you enjoyed everything and have a good one and see you soon.
See you soon.